Hello everyone, I am Deepshika from Bodhi Academy, and in previous video we have learned about the comparing quantities chapter, that is chapter number 8 from the 7th standard mathematics NCERT textbook. Okay, so in today's class we are going to continue with the same chapter, and previously we have covered the topics like comparison and equivalent ratio. Okay, in today's class we are going to cover the three topics, that is percentage, that is another way of comparing quantities, converting fractional numbers to percentage, and converting decimals to percentage back. Okay, so we will study this. Let's start with the chapter. And we have yesterday also solved one exercise, that is exercise number 8.1. Okay, so now we'll see further topics. So percentage, that is another way of comparing quantities they are seeing. So we have in the previous parts here we have compared directly. Okay, the values are we have compared directly, or in the form of equivalent ratios we have compared. Now we'll compare the quantities in the form of percentage. Okay, so let's see how it is. Here one example which they have given. Here Anita's report card is given, and Rita's. Okay, so here Anita got 320 out of 400, and Rita got 300 out of 360. Okay, so and the percentage is also given, that is Anita's percentage is 80% and Rita's percentage is 83%. Okay, so now what Anita is saying, that she has done better than Rita. Okay, because she got 320 marks whereas Rita got only 300 marks. So what you think? Do you agree with Anita that she has done better than Rita? Okay, they told this situation to their third friend, that is Mansi, and what she told them, they cannot decide who has done better just by looking at those marks, because the total is different. Because Anita's report says that she got 320 out of 400, and whereas Rita says that she got 300 out of 360. So their total is different, so they cannot decide who has done better based on the marks. So they have to look at the percentage, and here what percentage says, that Rita's percentage is 83.3 and Anita's percentage is 80. So who has done better? By looking at the percentage we can say that Rita's performance is good as compared to the Anita's performance. Okay, so here in this topic we will compare the quantities based on the percentage. So what is percentage? Percentage, they are numerators of fractions with denominator. Okay, numerator will be on the top with the fractions with denominator. This you know. The number above the fraction, that is called as numerator, and below the fraction, that is called as denominator. Okay, so what is percentage? Percentage, that means per 100. Okay, that equals to 1% per 100. Out of 100, the 1. This is the meaning of the percentage. Okay, now let's see. Here they have given one table. Okay, here Rina, she made a table of 100 different colored tiles. Okay, she counted as yellow, green, red, blue tiles separately and filled the data below. So we have to help her. Okay, so here see, the color is given, number of tiles, rate per 100, fractions, in the form of fractions we have to write, and then written as and read as. Okay, we have to write like this and we have to read like this. So first of all, for yellow there were the 14 tiles. Okay, rate per 100 was 14 only. Fractions, we have to take numerator, that is 14 divided by 14 upon 100. So the percentage is 14%. You should write the percent. This is the symbol for the percent. Okay, this is the symbol of the percent, and you have to read it as 14%. Okay, like similarly for green, here 26 tiles have been given and rate per 100 was 26, so 26 divided by 100. So you have to write like this 26% and you have to read like this 26%. Okay, so for 35 it will be 35 divided by upon 100. Okay, so that will be 35%, and how we will write is 35%. Okay, similarly for 25 it is 25. Okay, rate per 100 will be 25 and 25 upon 100, so that will be 25%. Okay, and 25%. So similarly, okay, now try to complete this table also. If percentage when total is not 100, okay, in this case the total was 100, that in that case we can directly count the percent. What if the total is not 100, like for example here they have given, okay, number of bits, color they have given, red color bits are 8. Okay, fraction is 8 by 20, so total is 20 and 8 out of there are this red color. So how do we calculate the percentage of this? You know, we we have to multiply this fraction, whole fraction, with 100 upon 100. Okay, so how we'll get 40 by 100. How, this 0 will get cancelled with this 0. Okay, then wait, this 0 will get cancelled with this. 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8, 10 fours are 40, and this 100 will go over here. So 40 by 100, so the percentage is 40%. Similarly over here, blue color bits 12, 12 by 20, multiply it with 100 by 100. So cancel this 0 with this. 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12, 6 tens are 60 upon 100, that gives 60%. Okay, yes, so you have understood, right? So when the total is not 100, that time you have to multiply the whole fraction with 100 by 100. Note down this. Now we will convert the fractional numbers to percentage. Okay, so here see, they have, we can convert them, the fractional numbers, into percentage. Okay, if they only when there is a common denominator. Okay, and if it is more convenient to convert if it is if the denominator is 100. Okay, so we have to try to make the denominator as 100. Okay, so here example they have given, that is 1 by 3, write 1 upon 3 there as a percent. Okay, these fractions we have to write in the form of percent. So how we will write? Okay, first of all we have to, what we have to do, we have to multiply it with 100 by 100. Okay, now 1 by 3 multiply by 100 we have to do, and 100 multiply 1 is 100, 100 divided by 3, correct? So 33 upon 1 by 3, that is the percent that we have got. So second example they have given, that is out of 25 children in a class, 15 are girls, what is the percentage of these girls? So out of 25, how many girls? 15. So 25 will be denominator and 15 will be numerator, that we have to multiply with 100. Okay, so upon multiplication and division we'll get it as 60. So there are 60% girls in the class. So convert this 5 by 4 to percent. 5 by 4 multiplied by 100%, that will give rise to 125%. So we have to do calculation over here. We have to first you divide this and then you have to multiply. Like for example, if we divide it here, okay, then 4 ones are 4, correct? 1 0 will take, here we'll get point. 4 2s are 8, sorry, 4 2s are 8, here it will come as 8, 0 8. 4 5s are 20. Okay, so 1.25 will get correct. So when when it is in the form of decimal, when you will multiply this 1.25 into 100, you will get it as 125. Okay, 125%. Okay, we'll see here how to convert these decimals, this decimal into percent. Over here we'll see this converting decimals to percent. Okay, so here they have given decimals. Okay, 0.75, 0.09 and 0.2. Now we have to convert this percentage decimals back to percent. Now see how to do this. 0.75 it is given. Okay, we have to multiply it with 100%. Okay, on multiplication you have to multiply also, and you have to divide it with 100. Okay, so as a result you will get 75%. What do you do now? When you have to convert decimals to percentage, that time just shift this decimal 2 points to the left. Okay, and that will be the percentage. When you have to convert decimals to percent, that time just shift 2 point to the decimals, and that will be your answer. So now here you have to convert the percentage to fractions. Okay, now how to convert it into fractions and decimals, we'll see both over here. Here 1%, so 1% it means what? 1 out of 100, correct? So that is in the fraction form we have to write. Okay, decimal, it's if you divide this number, then you will get 0.01. Okay, when it is 10%, 10 divided by 100 is equal to 1 by 100 on cancellation. Okay, so in the decimal form we'll get 0.10. If it is 25, then it will be 25 by 100. Okay, so that will be equal to 0.25 in decimal form. 50 divided by 100, so the percentage will be 0.50. Like this you have to do. Okay, zero point 125 divided by 100. You have to just shift, while converting into decimal form, just shift 2 decimals to the left. Okay, 1.25, 250 divided by 100. Okay, 2.5. Okay, now here see pun with estimation they have given. Percentage that help here, no percentage. With the help of percentage we can estimate the parts of an area. Okay, so here one figure is given. What percent of the adjoining figure that is shaded, we have to find out that. So how many parts are there for the we have to write it in the form of fraction also and percentage also. Okay, so how many parts are there to this particular figure? There are 3 parts, correct? And how many are shaded? Half of the figure is shaded, correct? So what we have to write in the fraction form? 1 by 2 we have to write. Okay, that if you want to, this is in the form of fraction. If you want to convert it into percentage, then we have to multiply it with the 100, and that will be equal to 50%. Okay, 2 ones are here, 2 ones are 2, 2 50s are 100. Okay, so 51 50, so 50%. So the 50% of the figure that is shaded. Understood? Okay, so rest we will see, the remaining topics we'll see in the next video. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, then please like the video, share with your friends, and do subscribe the channel. Okay, thank you so much.